One of the artifacts created on the skeleton plane is a wireframe. And a wireframe is a two-dimensional model of what eventually will become your finished product. You can see from the example here that it's a simplified, stripped down version of your architecture and your features. So a wireframe's job is to provide form, information, and arrangement volume. A wireframe is just a starting point. There's no references to the finished look and feel. There's no fonts, color, images, or effects referred to. Why wireframes? Well, by creating a wireframe, we can see how each screen fits into the whole site. We can determine what links and content is required to meet the needs of the user. We can see how balanced the elements are and how they relate to each other. What do they tell us? Well, they tell us what gets included, how it's organized, what gets priority, where elements are located, where a user can go and what they encounter when they get there, and how a user moves through the space of the site itself. Wireframes ask questions such as, have I left anything out? Is the top priority content noticed first? And wireframes allow us to revisit our strategy and goals. It allows us to ask the question, is this valuable? Have we got this right? If not, then what do we need to revise? So a good idea is to start with simple pen and paper. Get your ideas down on paper, keep it simple, draw some diagrams. Afterwards then, you can move on to wireframing tools to do some rapid prototyping. Now the example that we're using here was created in a tool called Balsamic. There are lots of other wireframing tools out there, such as Marvel app. Go and investigate them, find one that you like and use that. Other questions that wireframes ask are, do the relationships work? Does it all clearly make sense? The labels, the navigation, and the arrangement.